How to adjust chart height on MEXC application. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. If you're trying to make your chart bigger, smaller, or easier to see on MEXC, first of all, launch open the MEXC application on your device. And once you're inside the home page after logging into your account, go ahead and tap on the Markets option from the bottom. Inside the Markets tab, select a currency pair. You'll open up the Markets tab and you'll see the chart page on the page. Click on this little adjust icon, which looks like a small slider, and then in the pop-up, go to the bottom and you'll see your chart height slider. Slide it towards the right corner to increase the chart height. Slide it towards the left to decrease it, and you'll be able to increase or decrease the chart height on MEXC application. Now you know how to adjust chart height on MEXC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.